Tax season is here, and with it comes a slew of questions from taxpayers about how to file, when to file, if they should, and what they can expect from the return of other things. We have some answers for you in the first of our Tax Tips series.
One of the big worries for taxpayers this year is scammers. Connor Sweetman recently sat down with two special agents from the IRS Criminal Fraud Department to learn more about these scams.
Every year, millions of Americans file their taxes, but with every tax season comes the threat from scammers and con artists looking to rip unsuspecting people off. Special Agent Brian Watson and Lisa Sukanek with the IRS Criminal Fraud Department say that there are some things to look out for.
A lot of the phone calls are coming from overseas, but some of them are domestic. It's high pressure. They claim to be the IRS, and they'll threaten you with either a lawsuit or prison or deportation or loss of a driver's license, and they want you to pay them right now. Hang up on these people. That's not how we do business. IRS, we're very old school in that when we need to talk to you, we send you a letter in the mail explaining the situation. We're never going to call you up out of the blue and demand money over the phone.
Sukanek says that anyone can be a victim and that scammers will go after anyone, even the IRS.
They don't discriminate. You know, a lot of people think that they target the elderly or maybe newly immigrants into this country who may not be, you know, quite aware of how the IRS works. But that's just not true. I mean, we get calls. The IRS employees have had calls. I've had friends getting calls.
Experts want you to know that these scams aren't going away anytime soon.
And obviously, as long as it works and they're able to get the money, they're not going to go away, you know, and so that's why it is important for us to get out here and get the message out.
For NEZ Today, I'm Connor Sweetman.
Investigators say that people need to be aware of what tactics scammers are using. The most common is the phone call, but as law and technology advance, so do their tactics. Remember, the IRS won't call, text, or email you. They'll send you paper letters. We'll have more tax tips for you coming up over the next few weeks.